I don't want you to lose big. My hat may be big, but we don't want any big time losses. Currently, there are 3 scams going on in the federal government space. We're going to break them down to help you avoid being a victim. Number 1, receiving some type of form. This email outlines, Kissy, we would love for you to sell us some laptops. Maybe sprinkle in some keyboards and some micey mice. Seems official. There's a logo. There's a name of a leader. You can Google it. You'll see them on LinkedIn. You'll see them on internet. You can check it out on AI. But it's a scam. We don't want that big loss. The federal government, in the 10 plus years that I've been in this space, my name is Dr. Kizzy Parks, been awarded $50 million in government contracts. I have never received a form asking for something that was unsolicited. So here's what ends up happening. Some of you have received this form and then you reached out for funding because you're excited. You thought, finally it's happening. I've been putting in all this time, all this energy, and it's happening. I've won a contract. That's the thought. And in reality, it's a scam. Perhaps you get the funding. Perhaps you use a credit card. You buy the item. You ship them to an address. Typically that address is in Doral, Florida, maybe in Texas. You're waiting patiently. You're waiting patiently. Your payment never comes, and it never will. It's a scam. If you ever receive something and you wonder, is this legit? Sign up for my Facebook group, it's free, and ask. Put it into ChatGPT. Scroll over the from email. Sometimes it may look official, and then when you scroll over, it's like, wait, hold on. dhs.smith.john@netstar, whoa. Identify where that person is. Let's say the person's name is John Smith and they're the head of DHS. This is just a fictional example. Look them up on LinkedIn, try to find their phone number, find their email, and reach out. I just want to confirm, John Smith, that this was sent to me. Chances are it's a scam. Somebody who is high up in leadership is not going to take the time to send out forms asking for electronic. But because people are preying on our hopes and dreams and our vulnerabilities, they've had a lot of success doing this. So please be careful. No bake, y'all. Ooh. I don't know about you, but I love dessert. Love desserts. I had all the little things as a kid. I was baking away a no-bake brownie, a cookie, a snickerdoodle. If it's baked, no bake, bring it my way. Except for right now, because I'm prepping for 3 shows. But typically, Dr. Parks couldn't turn down some sugar. But in terms of this, what I'm referring to is no bid contract. I got you. Just meet with my team. I can get you a no bid contract. I'm gonna get you on the GSA schedule. I'm gonna get you on this schedule. No bid, step right up, no bid. We're just gonna hand out contracts. That's what we're gonna do. Big losses. What will happen is either you will pay the money, typically 3 to 10, maybe 20,000. You're excited, you're exhilarated. I'm gonna get some no bid contracts, watch out y'all, right? And you're gonna get nothing. They'll take your money, they'll take your information, and chances are you won't qualify. Chances are they won't help you along the process. Chances are you're gonna reach out to them and get nothing. There is no such thing in the government space, federal, state, local, around no bid. There's no bake. There's no bid. Maybe in the private sector, but in the federal and state and local, you have to give something. I mean, although the curls are popping, the government isn't going to say, woo, Kizzy, we heard your curls are popping and we know you've been around a while. Here, take this money, take this contract. My goodness, it doesn't work like that. Instead, can you get a GSA schedule? Of course. There are many ways you can do it, and be on the lookout for different GSA challenges and things coming up. But this is something where you need to meet the requirement. And even once you get that schedule, you still have to submit a proposal or submit a price quote. You still must respond once you get on that schedule. So please be careful. There are many of you who reach out to me in my DMs or the comments below, and you share these stories of your hopes and dreams being shattered because somebody is taking full advantage. And we're here to stop that. Next scam that's gonna lead to some big losses, I call it the superstar scam. You know, Kizzy, I can help you out. You know, I'm gonna give you some opportunities. I'm gonna send you these opportunities every single day. And all you have to do is find somebody to fulfill the work. That's it, just fulfill the work. I'm gonna submit it, we're gonna win, and I'm gonna take 25% of the profit. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. So I'm going to help a stranger win work under their company, and they're gonna take 25% of the profit? Nothing is in my name. And they never discussed offering any type of teaming agreements or subcontract or any agreements. It's a scam. Be warned. Do not fall for it. This is completely different than reaching out, getting a price quote, bringing them on, and executing according. This again is somebody who's trying to take advantage, who wants to use all of your time and energy and resources and suck you dry and take full advantage and keep it moving. Be warned. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and don't forget, everything is possible.